Now let me show you how you can have a separate home screen on your iPad. So as you can see, this is my main home screen and the other one is like the second one, right? But if I want to have a custom one, I can hold down on it like this to go to the edit mode. And as you can see, we have a third one, which is currently blank, right? So we're going to get in here and essentially I can put in here whatever I want. So for instance, I'm going to bring in here some apps or click on edit and add more widgets in here, like the photos widgets, right? Make it larger, right? And now that I'm done with customizing the new separate home screen, I'm going to hit a done. Right, so as you can see now I have the main one, second, and the third. But let's say I want to only occasionally use this one. I can decide how it's visible. Because as well, if I go to the edit mode like this and I click on the little selector of pages below, I can see all of my home screen pages. So currently these two are active, but I can decide that I uncheck the current ones like this, and only this one is the current homepage. So as you can see, I have nothing else except for this home screen. And other times, if I don't feel like seeing this one, I just come back to this edit mode, re-enable the other two like this, make this one hidden, hit it done, and then now I'm back at the original setup. So that's how you can have a separate home screen, which you only bring back to life when you want or occasionally. And I use this feature a lot. As you can see, I had plenty other home screen pages, so I think that's very nice. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you in the future uploads.